In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious Korean ground beef bulgogi recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need cooked rice, 1 pound ground beef, 1 onion diced, 5 green onions diced, 3 garlic cloves shredded, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. In a bowl, start by combining the soy sauce, sesame oil, pepper, chili flakes, and the brown sugar, and mix until completely combined. We're going to set this aside for later. In a pan over heat, we're going to start by adding in our oil and our onions and saute them. Once sauteed, add in the garlic and continue sauteing for a couple of seconds, making sure not to burn it. Add the ginger and continue sauteing. Now we're going to add in our meat and cook thoroughly. We're going to remove any excess grease that our meat has created. Now we're going to add the sauce that we created earlier. Add in half of the green onions. Our ground beef is complete. In a plate, we're going to add some rice. Over this, we're going to add our ground beef. Top our meat with the sesame seeds and the leftover green onions. Our Korean ground beef bulgogi is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.